topic. Hope you all will like it. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
So, in my last video of MySQL series, I have discussed about foreign key, queries of foreign key. You can check the video from the above I button, or you can watch all of my MySQL videos from the playlist itself. So, let's get back to today's topic, that is order by clause in MySQL. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. The order by keyword sorts the record in ascending order by default. To sort the records in descending order, use the Desc keyword. Order by syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name, order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending. Let's apply this in MySQL. Here I am using previously created database order info. Within this database, there are two different tables, orders and customers. We will use orders table for example. Select asterisk from orders, order by OrderID. This query will show the table in ascending order with respect to OrderID. Similarly, order by customer ID or order date will sort the table in ascending order of customer ID or order date. To sort it in descending order, add Desc. Now, to order by several columns, select asterisk from orders, order by, order ID, order date. Note that the columns mentioned just after the order by clause will get most importance in the query. To sort it in descending order, add Desc to the query. So that's all for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.